What is up, trappers? Man, check it out. We got a storm out here in the trapway. Look at this thing. Always bad attitude. It's got this mean mug on its face. Always looking mad. Like it has clean oil. I put good gas in it. The air filter's clean. What's it mad about? I don't get it. Woo, this storm's coming, guys. Look, it's pouring down on me. We're at the car wash right now with a man getting it ready. Inside's clean. It's good to go. Heck yeah, man, we just hit it with a brush. Look, that thing's still dripping. We're gonna flip it, rinse it. I'm gonna take it. There it goes, guys. It's rolling out of here. The Charger's gone. Going to Cincinnati, Ohio. There it is. Last time we'll see it. That's a good car for us, guys. But it's definitely gone. It's probably one of the most dependable vehicles I've owned. There it is. And there's the people that gonna follow him. There it is. He's out of here. There it goes. Yeah. It's over for the night, guys. We'll see you in the next one. Keep on trapping.
We stand out like bird shit on a black shoe.